Fabulous. Aiden, remind me what we're talking about this week.
The weather.
The weather, definitely. And then do you remember what this is called? Connor?
The right cycle. Right cycle.
The water cycle, yes. Fabulous. So Aiden, when it starts here, what is this?
Ocean.
The ocean. And what is it doing in the ocean?
I'm sucking it all up so it can go to the sun.
You're right. So it's collecting all the water, right?
Can I do all of it?
Nope, we're gonna have other friends take turns too, okay? But you're exactly right. It's collecting all that water. And then Kylie, do you remember what it's doing?
Aiden, you will get a turn.
You will have another turn. Relax. Kylie, do you remember what it's called when it goes from the ocean to the sun? No? Do any of my friends remember what that's called? Clayton?
It smushes the water up.
Well, that comes over here. So right here, when it's going up to the sun, it is evaporating. Remember? Can we all say evaporating? Evaporation. You're right, Warren. Good job. And then from the sun, what does it do with all that water, Clayton?
Squishes it all up.
Makes it all one big thing, right? And that's called
Condensation.
condensation.
Did you know the wind goes all the way into space?
I did not know that. But thank you. That is a good fact to know. I'm going to have to look that one up. So then when it gets to the cloud, why does it rain, Warren? What happens in that cloud?
Precipitation.
Very good.
That's exactly right. But it's because that cloud gets super, super what?
Heavy.
It gets really heavy. All that water weighs a whole bunch in that cloud, right? And so the cloud just has to let it all go. And that's called what, Warren?
Precipitation.
Precipitation. And then where does it rain down to?
The water.
The earth, right? And so
Yeah,
it goes back in the water and it starts all over again. That's why it's called a cycle, right?
And it's collection.
It goes back to collection.
And Connor, what does it go in?
In a circle and circle.
It just keeps
A
going
circle
and
and
going.
a circle and a
Very
circle.
good.
Yeah.
And it keeps going over and over.
Over and over.
Exactly. That's how we get water. That's how it rains all the time, right?
Yeah, that's how you drink water.
Mm-hmm. That's how we get water
It
to
makes
drink.
flowers grow.
It does make flowers grow. What else does rain? Hold on. Freeze. What else does rain do, Jude? When it rains, what does that help? It helps flowers grow. Does it help anything else grow? Yeah, what does it help grow? What's that green stuff in front of your house? Grass. Absolutely. What are the big tall things made of wood and leaves, Levi?
I don't know.
You don't know? Sometimes we climb them. Sometimes they're fun to make a tree house in. Trees. Absolutely. It helps. That's okay. I appreciate you raising your hand though. But so the water helps us do all of that, right? Okay. Kylie, do you have a question about the water cycle?
Yeah.
What's your question?
So I wanted to do the precipitation.
You want to do precipitation? Okay. When it's precipitating, what is it doing?
I wanted to do the sun.
Precipitation, what is that?
It wanted to do the sun. It pushes the sun into the clouds.
That's condensation. Precipitation is when it all comes down. What do we call that?
Rain.
And when it's raining, absolutely. Okay. Sweet beans.
Whiskers.
Aww.